Rabbits are small mammals known for their distinctive long ears, powerful hind legs, and propensity to reproduce rapidly. They possess a keen sense of hearing and an acute awareness of their surroundings, allowing them to detect potential threats. Their herbivorous diet consists of grasses, leaves, and other plant materials. Rabbits are prolific breeders, with a short gestation period and the ability to have multiple litters per year. They construct burrows for shelter and safety, often in open fields or forested areas. With a gentle and curious demeanor, rabbits have become popular pets, requiring proper care and socialization to thrive in domestic environments.